why
that's
she went
not
into
true.
the do not
I
enter
keep
area,
trying to say, and you keep
trespassing on
speaking
state
over me.
property. Now she is refusing to grab her driver's
That's
license,
not
registration,
true.
and
I'm
insurance.
doing it right now, and that's what this is. That's what I'm doing, and I keep trying to say that I'm a victim of a crime. Alpine County Sheriff Department knows it. So does the Highway Patrol. I've shown them what's happened. I am the victim of a repeated crime.
Registration for the vehicle,
and
proof
I
of insurance,
went
ma'am.
and I went down. It's on my phone. The proof of insurance is on my phone that I
And the
made my
registration.
payment. I haven't done anything wrong. I went.
Ma'am, you're in a
And no,
area
you
that's
won't
state
allow
property.
me to say why I went down that road. It's important and it's a public safety issue. But you won't let me say.
You're trespassing on state property, ma'am.
I did that so that I could test my vehicle and make sure that I'm safe to go up over Luther. It's not safe to be testing up and down 88 or 89.
Flood,
That is me.
837-5784.
That is me.
88 and Burnside Lake Road on state property.
Only
Went
to
all the way here
test.
from Pollock Pines.
No, I'm camping. That's not true. You're making assumptions.
You trespassing on state property is not an assumption.
You're making assumptions that I came from Pollock Pines. Where's my printout? I did nothing wrong.
Trespassing on state property is something wrong.
Not when you're doing it as a safety issue. I did it as a safety issue because me going up 89 when I do not know that my truck is running safely to, or going up
Doesn't
and
give you
down.
the right to go on state property, ma'am.
Yes, it still does, because
Actually, it
how
does not.
could I test it?
Registration, please.
Oh my gosh, you're going to give me a ticket
Yes,
for
ma'am.
this? Oh my gosh, that is so ridiculous. I came to tell you right away
You live
what
on
I was
Finn Court
doing.
in Pollock Pines, ma'am? Or do you get the mail at the P.O. Box? Do you get your mail
At the
Finn
P.O.
Court?
Box.
Okay. And I see proof of insurance, ma'am.
It's on my phone.
Okay.
I'm going to upload this to YouTube so that people can see that you'd have me test my vehicle going up and down 88 when I might stall out. You'd have me do that rather than I can go down here and I can test it.
Ma'am, you're delaying me.
I'm
I
not
need to see
delaying
insurance.
you. I'm not delaying you in any way. You're